Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to debone a chicken wing. As you can see here, I have all these chicken wings deboned. When you debone them, they're very thin and small like this. So right now, they do not have any bones inside. All the bones inside has been taken out and it's ready to stuff. So I have about a dozen of chicken wings here that I have deboned. So if you watch, I will show you step by step on how to debone a chicken wing. And that way you can stuff it with any kind of stuffing that you want. It can be chicken and blue cheese, or it could be stuffings like what we use for egg rolls. But anything you want to fill the wings with. It has a cavity inside. Once you take the bone out, it has a hollow cavity inside that you can stuff with anything that you want, whether it's just other chicken meat or chicken roll and egg roll stuffings. So please stay tuned and watch me on how I show you how to do deboning step-by-step instructions. Hi everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to debone a chicken wing. So I bought a pack of chicken wings like this. I had washed it and rinsed it, and it's pretty dry now. So I'm going to start deboning my chicken wings, and I will show you how to do it step by step. First of all, when you start to debone a chicken wing, you want to use a small knife that you can manage. A small knife like this one. First, you want to start out with going slowly around the bone. Get close to the bone as much as you can without cutting into the skin. So you want to cut where the ligaments or the tendons that are holding the skin with the bone, right here. So you want to slowly, when you have cut around it, you want to slowly peel it down and then break where the joint is, like I have here. When you have that broken off, you'll have more tender bones there. You just want to slowly cut it to break that, and then you want to slowly pull it down again, and then you repeat the process of going around the knuckle there, right where the wing part is. So you just want to slowly go around in a circular motion. Take it easy, take your time. Just you can feel that you're cutting that, and it will break apart the wing. So just take your time, watch your fingers, and your left hand would be pulling it down as you are cutting around the bone. So as you see my left hand, I'm pulling it as I am cutting with my right side. So that way I can reach in there and cut in between here. Always break the small bone out first. A chicken wing is like a paper clip. You want to break the small part out first, and then if there's anything still stuck on or attached to it, break it off like this, and there you go. You have a chicken wing that has been deboned. And try to do it so that there's no holes in there. When you first start out, you will have holes here and there right at the knuckle where you cut it, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect. As you get better, there'll be pretty soon you'll have no holes like I have here. And then once you get one wing done, you repeat the process depending on how many chicken wings you have. So just keep repeating the process until you are finished with all your chicken wings that needs to be deboned. And I will show you several wings that I debone here, so that you will get a better picture and get a more clear idea. It's the same process. Just keep cutting around the wing, right around the knuckles, right around. Keep your knife as close to the bone as you can, so that you can cut the tendons or anything that's attaching to the bone in the skin. It does look like it's very easy, but It may be seem hard to you at first, but it will get easier as the more practice you get. So it may, I know it may, you may say, oh, I make it look so easy. And when you actually do it, it's not that easy, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect. If you're not cutting around the bone or staying close to the bone as much as you can, and you're not pulling down the right way or in a wrong way or just not the right way, it's right there, you see how I cut that? You will cut a hole into the chicken wing. So I just seen myself cutting right there. I can see that I will have a hole once I take the bones out. And as you see here, on this side looks fine, but on this other side where I cut, there is a hole here. As you can see, you can put your fingers through it. But when you stuff it, just don't stuff too much in that area and you will be fine. Thank you for watching my videos. Watch part 2 as I show you how to stuff the chicken wings. This is my plate full of chicken wings that I have deboned, and I will show you how to do the stuffing and how to stuff it. Please like and subscribe for more videos and watch part 2. Thank you.